Hey folks, this is RDC Rob, and this is my Mehano 462 Pacific locomotive, steam locomotive that I acquired off eBay for 30 bucks. And it seemed a little high considering there was some noticeable damage on the front end, which I'll address in a moment. But the motor worked. It did have loose screws on the drive rods. After tightening up all the screws, the locomotive began running so much smoother and quieter. It was just amazing. I mentioned the damage to the front end. The train appeared to have been dropped on the front end because the locomotive smokestack was cracked in a couple places. The headlamp housing was broken off the boiler cover, and the pilot was broken off on the right side. So I need to do some repair work there. And with the help of KDAR 70 and his vast supply of styrene material, I managed to rebuild all the broken parts of the locomotive. I get all my styrene, round tubing, square tubing, round rod, square rod, I-beams, L-beams, and clear black and white sheets of styrene from KDAR on eBay. And if you see any brick roads on my layout, I also get brick styrene sheeting from him. So I will post a link in the description. And back to the train. This tender was another eBay find. It is a scratch-built tender in the style of a Vanderbilt. Whoever created this thing made a nice attempt, though strangely taller and narrower than normal. I replaced the old worn wheels with smooth running metal wheels, and it greatly improved the rolling of the tender. I also built a platform on the front with a retracting door to the coal bin with styrene, as well as a drawbar for between the locomotive and tender. Since I had a bunch of priests or HO people and found a fireman, I mounted him to the front tender platform. I thought it was kind of plain, so I added ladders from Central Valley Model Works to create a railing across the top and added a ladder on the back. I will put a link to Central Valley Model Works because I used their ladders and railings and stairs. Now that I have it all put together, let's get out on the track and run it for a bit.